Hello, I'm Vern Jackson with the BPM Gun Club, and today we're going to be shooting the DP12 12 gauge bullpup shotgun. Holds 16 rounds, made by Standard Manufacturing. We're going to see what it can do. We're going to shoot it from all different angles, shoot a bunch of different targets. You watch, you make the call whether you like it or not. Alright, I'm going to show you guys what it's like to shoot this big boy kneeling down. It'll also give you a good idea of the recoil. And here we go. We got Lil Vern, only 16 years old. He's going to be demonstrating shooting the DP12 from cover or concealment, whatever you want to call it, moving around with it, showing how it is to have to maneuver a little bit with the shotgun. Ready? Let's go, Vern. Also, he was showing that the gun can be shot and cycled well, even at an angle, a sideways angle, leaning both sides. Pretty good. All right, this next one is designed to show the gun shooting at a downward angle and cycling at a downward angle to see how it works in that situation. Here we go. Folks, up until now, we've been shooting just little target loads, just showing the gun shooting in different situations in different positions. But now we got some buckshot in there, and we're gonna blow up some mortar jugs, juice jugs, watermelons, bricks, sticks, whatever we can get our hands on. Vern's up first. Let's do it. Oh shit, Dylan Roof's coming in. I think we handled Dylan pretty good. All right, it looks like my concrete block survived the buckshots. So we're gonna have Vern go back at it with a slug. And in addition, a bucket of paint. Slugs coming out of the DP12. Let's see how this goes down. Whoa. Whoa!